Hey, it's Tammy Lynn Hancock, and I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up. My goal on Facebook is to teach you all how to grow your business using attraction marketing. So feel free to click those 3 little buttons at the top and follow me whenever I go live. Feel free to share this post, and if you've got any questions or comments, just drop them below and I'll be glad to help you. Hi, good to see you all here today. So today's topic was, are you running your business like Jurassic Park? That's a great movie, by the way. I just watched the new one just recently, maybe about a month ago. And yeah, it was scary, and it gets you at the top of your, front of your seats and everything. But you know what? So many of us who have online businesses run our businesses just like Jurassic Park. I can't say Jurassic today. Anyway, and what do I mean by that? That means that we are just like the dinosaurs on there, the T-Rexes that are out there with our mouths open and our claws out there, ready to attack anybody who comes on our Facebook page and remotely shows some kind of interest in our business or our product. Hey, Dawn, good to see you here. Does that kind of resonate with you? Have you ever seen Facebook pages that are like that? The minute you post something on there, they attack you and are just trying to eat you up and trying to get you to be in their business. How about the people who come on to they friend you, and the first thing that they send you is, I don't want to bother you, but I want you to look at this business opportunity. They are behaving like a T-Rex in Jurassic Park. When we operate our online businesses as if it's Jurassic Park, you know what we do? Just like in the movie, what did everybody do? They ran away. There was nobody who ran towards the T-Rex because they knew they would get eaten up and killed, right? So that's the same way your prospects feel when they come to your Facebook page and it looks as if you are about to attack them. That is the whole concept of attraction marketing. Attraction marketing is entirely different. Attraction marketing is you being a puppy zoo or a petting zoo as opposed to Jurassic Park. Do you get the difference? When you come to a petting zoo, we can let our kids walk in there, and our kids can feel free and safe because none of the animals in there are going to attack them, bite their heads off, or try to force them to join some kind of company they're not wanting to be involved in, right? So if you run your Facebook page with attraction marketing, it's kind of like being a petting zoo. It's a safe place for your prospects, your target market, to come and to learn about your product by you being a person of value and putting out good information that are important to them. And it's a good place for you to build know, like, and trust. And when you build know, like, and trust with your target market, when you put a curiosity post out there, they're going to be ready to buy from you because you let them into the petting zoo. You didn't bite their head off like Jurassic Park. You're getting the ideas here? Give me some thumbs up or some hearts. So my goal is to teach you not to be a hunter. Use attraction marketing and be the one who's hunted. And actually, it really does work. Social media is a wonderful venue for you to open your attraction marketing petting zoo. It's a wonderful media for you to tap into the 2.6 billion people out there who are looking for your product. And yes, no matter how obscure your product is, even if you're selling pickle recipes, people will want to buy your product because there are people out there who are looking for pickle recipes. Yes, they are. And I know that because I used to can a lot of pickles and I was looking for lots of recipes. And if there was somebody out there with recipes, I would have gone to their Facebook page. So what I'm trying to say is you can really explode your business with attraction marketing. So move away from being a predator. Move away from the Jurassic Park approach and move back into the petting zoo, to the attraction marketing venue of growing your business. And I'd be glad to help you learn how to do that. today I want to tell you about a couple of things before I go. If you look at my Facebook profile, you'll see that there's a webinar tonight on Instagram. You guys have to get in on this free webinar. You'll see it in a couple posts below this one. It starts at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I was just watching the news a second ago, and they were doing a whole advertisement about Instagram on the news. So something great is going on with Instagram. So you want to get in on that free webinar, and I'll also put it in the links below. Also, for some of you who are looking for some information, you're saying, Tammy Lynn, I've been running my business like Jurassic Park and I want to learn how to do attraction marketing. Just put attraction marketing below and I will get in touch with you, and you and I can chat face to face on a Zoom, and I can really help you. Also, I have a boot camp coming up starting August 1st. It's a 5-day free Facebook boot camp. And if you haven't joined up for that and you are really interested, put the word boot camp below and I'll send you some information on that so that you can learn attraction marketing so that you can grow your business. Before I go, does anybody else have any questions before I go off the live? Any questions about how attraction marketing and how not to make your Facebook page look like Jurassic Park? Okay, I'm Tammy Lynn Hancock. I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. And don't forget to drop a comment below for that webinar. Don't forget to put a comment below if you want to join in boot camp, and don't forget to put attraction marketing below if you want me to talk to you one-on-one on how you can grow your business, because you can do it. I know you can. God bless you and have a great day.